Hello everybody, today we will measure angles with a protractor. Let's look at some protractors here. And even though these protractors may look a little different, they have all the same elements. So this protractor is 360 degrees. And if you take a look at it, it has two scales to read. So if you start here and you go this way, it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, and it goes all the way around. And if you start on this side, it goes the opposite way. So if I'm measuring an angle, I'm always going to start on 0. Okay, and actually, when I'm looking at this, we have a third scale too. We have just starting 0 here. So this one shows a lot of different things. And then your vertex always goes right here. So there's always a point on a protractor where your vertex goes. So if I was measuring an angle like this, I would make sure, what I'm doing is I'm measuring this area here. One of my lines has to be on a 0. The other one is where I get my measurement. So in this case, this angle is 40 degrees. Now this protractor is half a circle, so it's not going to be 360 degrees, it's going to be 180 degrees. And if you take a look, it still has two scales, so we have 0 going this way, starting at 0, going 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then we have this scale here. And we also have a point to put the vertex of our angle right there. So if we had an angle, that went up like this. Now this angle is facing the other way. So we're starting, this line is on 0 here. Then we count this way, 10, 20, 30, 40, and we go up. So in this case, this angle is 110 degrees. Now let's look at this protractor. And this already has the angle on it. So again, when we decide what scale we're going to use, we're always starting on 0. So when you count from 0, you don't count 0, 170, right? You go 0, 10. So this is 10, 20. So this angle here is about 22 degrees. Now, this angle is opening on the left-hand side. Our one ray is on 0, but it's opening on the left instead of the right over here. So we have 0 here. Again, when we look at our scale, we're not going to start at 0 and start counting 170, 160. We go 0, 10, 20, 30. So we're using this outer scale. We go all the way over here. We have 120. And this is 130. This is right in the middle. So this is 125 degrees. And what type of angle is this? It's greater than 90 degrees and less than 180. So it's obtuse. And our first one was greater than 0 but less than 90. So that one was acute. For this last one, it's opening on the left side of our protractor. Even though it's upside down, we can still read it. And if we look at it, this is on 0. Now we're going to use a scale that starts at 0. So we're going to go 10. It's going to be the scale on the bottom here. Go all the way around. And this is not quite, we're at 150. This is 160. It's right in the middle. It's 155, but this looks like it's one less. So I would say that's 154 degrees. And because it's greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, it's obtuse. So now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.